Okay, this is the room that is going to be getting the special foam insulation blown in. Let's take a look at it now, and then we'll give you a view of when they're actually blowing it in, how they do it, how it stays in place. They're doing.
Okay, here we are back in the foam zone. We've got two men in here. There's a fan. It's a little bit smelly from all the chemical reactions going on, but when this foam is completely dry, it is totally non-toxic to the residents. And that's it. They go bay by bay, spraying the foam in, and it expands to fill up the cavity. They get it all around, filling in every space. They even get it up inside.
A lot and a little and some in. These are all very valid points.
But I mean, you don't have to. Doesn't matter. Does that matter?
Yes, it most assuredly will matter. It most assuredly will matter, but not right off the bat.